All right, what we have here is an elegant 1971 280 SE 3.5 coupe. This is a southern car, lived in Atlanta, Georgia, Nashville, Tennessee. I have all the books, records, original manuals, tools, service records, service tickets. The car was never a restored car, just a well-kept car that was refurbished as needed. Significant tickets. At this time I know of no issues mechanically. If you'll review the pictures posted, this car is largely a original paint car. So the paint meter reveals that the car is largely original, and even those spots that show it's over 5.5, it's just a little bit, and I'm not too sure it's not port work or factory work. Very clean with correct orange peel. The color combination is original. We reached out to the Classic Car Center Atlanta, no, the West Coast, I'm sorry, and they confirmed this was the original color combination on this car. No accident history, no rust history. Chrome's in lovely condition, as is grille. You can see the paint is in nice condition. Back to the paint subject. Sides are straight. I will put it up on the lift. You can see the, if you reviewed the pictures, you can see all the leather has been redone. All crisp, nice, correct material. Speaker shelf is straight. Headliner is like new. All the wood is like new. Probably is new. No cracks in the steering wheel. Has the original radio. Not a whole lot to pick on this car. Just a beautiful, beautiful example. Does start well, starts easy. Let me reach in here and like the Mercedes thump. Okay, we were at the starting of the engine. Easy start. Go ahead and make arrangements and put the car up on the lift so you can see the underside, where it's so clean, so tidy, not rusty, not damaged. Okay, here we are at eye level on the 3.5 coupe. We can clearly see from these angles the car is very straight. It's not rusty. The chrome is in excellent condition. It's a southern car, has always been a southern car. Eye level, we can see things we normally will not see when it's down on the ground. Again, no rust anywhere. If we could get back up in here and see the headlight buckets, you can see how clean they are. How straight the sides are. How nice the gaps are. Most of this car is an original paint car. Beautiful piece. Well-documented history. Atlanta, Georgia, Nashville, Tennessee. Driver's side, again, you can see how clean the chrome is. How straight the sides are. We'll put it up on the up so we can go up underneath. All right, we're underneath the 3.5, and one of the first things that jumped out at me were the bushings. Front suspension, all in good condition. These front bumper arms, no horns, I guess. No rust. Dry engine. Nice calipers. It's a rust-prone area. It's solid. Another rust-prone area. Solid. Floorboards are solid. Original pans. Suspension points are solid. Very nice, solid example. Good tires. All right, this 1971 3.5 Coupe. How beautiful all the wood is on the car and all the gauges. Dash, leather, headliner. The underside of the car is just as nice. Nice steering, fresh steering components, so it drives straight. All the windows roll up and down properly. All the gauges work properly. No wind noise. No Chevy in the suspension. Very high grade of car with all its original books, records, since new. I wanted to do one last segment, one last video on this car to give it justice. The interior is so spectacular. And I just wanted to point out how clean the car is. Down in the jams. Everything tidy and neat. Natural light, might as well. It's a gray day, but still it's a very pretty car. Open up the hood and show you the engine compartments, all nice and clean and detailed. How nice the wood is on this car. Dash pads. Windows work, they line properly. All the windlace is good, the rubber seals are good. Open that hood up and give you a shot of that engine. All right, the engine compartment, look how tidy all of this is. Crisp, sharp, correct. Again, this is not a restored car, it's just a well-kept car. Show you the trunk lid, or inside the trunk. Nice spare tires, brand new. See how clean all that is. No rust. No rust.